Hello guys, welcome back to Guy with Samuel, and in today's tutorial I'll show you how to change the default text style in Gmail, whether you're after a cleaner look, better readability, or just want a more personal touch. Let's walk through it together step by step. So first, open your Gmail account on your computer and make sure you're logged in. Then at the top right corner of your inbox, click on the small gear icon. This opens your quick menu settings. From there, click on the link that says "Sees all settings" to access Gmail full settings dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll land on the General tab by default, which is exactly where you want or need to be. Now scroll down until you find the section called Default Text Style. In this section, you'll see your current font settings displayed. Click on the font name and a drop-down menu will now appear with several font options like Arial, Times New Roman, and more. Take a moment to browse through and select the style and choose whatever suits your need. Okay, whether it's something professional or a bit more playful, you feel free. Once you are done, click on the font and the preview will instantly update to show how your image will now look like in the new style. Now here is the important part. Once you have made your choice, scroll down to the bottom of the page and click on Save Changes. If you forget to save your changes, the settings won't apply and you will have to start over again. So guys, after saving, Gmail will return you to your inbox, and going forward, every email you compose will automatically use your new default font, making your messages more visible, appealing, and unique to yours. And that's it guys. Customizing your Gmail font is quick and simple and a great way to enhance your email experience. If you found the guide helpful, please don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching.